State whether the following statements are true for all natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 addition till n numbers is less than 1 by 8 of 2n plus 1 whole square. Now we'll try and check for the first three natural numbers and then conclude if this statement is true or not. Now, if we put n equal to 1, that means the left hand side will be just 1. And on the left hand side, right hand side, we have 1/8 of 2 plus 1 whole square. So 2 plus 1 whole square, that is 9 upon 8. So we can see that 1 is less than 9 upon 8. So this is true for n equal to 1. Now if we put n equal to 2, we have here 1 plus 2, and on the right hand side we have 1 by 8 into 2 into 2 plus 1 whole square. That is, on the left hand side we have 3, and on the right hand side we have 4 plus 1, that is 5 square, that is 25 upon 8. So we can see that this is also true. Now let's check if we put n equal to 3. So on the left hand side it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3, and on the right hand side it becomes 1 by 8 into 2 into 3 plus 1 whole square. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, and on the right hand side 6 plus 1, 7 square, that is 49 upon 8. Now we can see that this is true as well. 6 is less than 49 by 8. So therefore we can conclude that this statement is true for all natural numbers.